Hey YouTube, Still Corners has a new song. Last Exit. It's a good beginner song. Only has 4 chords. Alright, the song is called Last Exit. And just in case you didn't know, that's often a metaphor for death. It doesn't have to be. Could be the death of something, period of your life. You know, there's a lot of interpretations there. Starts off on E minor. I've never been this far from home. Goes to G. Got you on my mind. Been driving through the darkness. No destination on my mind. And it's a shame. Goes to C. That I had to disappear. A minor. The last exit. This would be the refrain or the chorus. The last exit. So again, drifting off to nowhere. E minor. G. My mind. Middle of the desert. E minor. Level on train just behind. And it's a shame. Goes to C. That I had to disappear. A minor. The last exit. E minor. The last exit. G. That's pretty much the whole song. There are some little accent notes, I think. And then there's a keyboard solo. But at the end of the song, they have a little, like a false ending. And so I think it goes like, and it's a shame. So, beginning on the refrain, that I had to disappear. A minor, the last exit. The last exit. And then they come back, and this is where the song changes. They're playing G to A minor. Ooh, she's singing ooh, and there's some little guitar slide work on the G string. 9 to 12. Or you could bend it. You could go. You just take that 9, put your index on the 7th fret and bend the 9th up to the 12th. And then there's another, they go from the 8 to the 10 on the B string. You could bend that one too. So that's a very beginner friendly song. The strumming pattern, well, it's got a little shuffle in it. Yeah, I think it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, that's how I'd count it off. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.